What's up, guys? Welcome back to Freak Out Fishing. Today we are doing some tiny creek, tiny rod fishing challenge. See how many fish we can catch with this tiny itty bitty rod with a crawfish crankbait. But with further ado, let's get this party started. All right, let's get this party started. Like I said, I got the boys here with me today, and they're trying to catch some crawfish. We're gonna work our way down this creek and try to catch us some fish. If you guys are new to fishing, if you guys like fishing this type of stuff, it's a great way to get your kids out and fish. These tiny little creeks, they hold some really good fish. It's a great learning experience if you guys want to start getting into fishing. So this is what I'm fishing with. I think it's a Rapala crawl crankbait. Perfect color for the spring. This spot over here is like deep right here. It's got some fish in it. Let's see if they'll actually hit it though. They were hitting it the other day, that's for sure. Oh my God, it's so muddy. Really clear. Yeah. Woo! Got the first one. Calm down. Calm down. Hey, there's one. Little bluefish. It's a cool little guy. Out of this little bitty creek. That is so cool. See if we can catch another. Oh, got another bite. Alright. There we go. Woo! Got another. Oh my gosh. Oh no, he fell off. Oh man. What I'm doing is just hitting in this little eddy over here. There's a tree right here, and it's causing a current break. And all I'm doing is I'm throwing in that eddy and see if I can't get some bites. Because right now, the crawfish are definitely starting to come out because it's getting warmer. Let's try this little piece right here. Alright, let's change spots here. This looks tasty. Woo! Oh, I got another bite. Oh! No! Ah! Oh, darn it. I'm gonna have to go get that. Oh, damn, that thing is on there. Alright, well, that's not happening. So we got it out. Let's keep fishing. Who they want it? One more cast here. There's some juicier spots down here. Oh yeah, baby. Damn it, no. It's not coming. All right, let's go down here. Saw them bubbling up down here earlier. There's a deep little pool over here. We're losing daylight like crazy, guys. Going back to spot number 1. Oh, spot number 3, I guess. Oh, there's one. There's another. All right. All right. He's jacked up. Scalpel. There we go. Tiny little fish out of the creek. I'll take it. Cool. We're losing daylight like crazy. Maybe that's the niche. This is going to be quite dangerous, but we're going to try it. Oh gosh, don't fall in. So no more fish caught that day. Back here at the house editing the video, doing the outro here. Great time. Never fished a tiny creek like that with such a little tiny rod and reel setup. So the challenge actually was a success in my book. So make sure you guys take your kids out fishing or go fish these tiny creeks and so on and so forth. And if you guys fish these tiny creeks, make sure you comment down below and let us know what you catch, how you catch them, and the gear you catch them with. As always, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Always make sure you comment and let us know what you think about the video. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you guys here next time on Freak Out Fishing.